The dimension for this design is 1350 by 1080 pixels with a resolution of 300. Let's get started with the pen tool. Okay, so now that we have our base layer, the next thing is to add color to it. Okay, so you double click here, then I choose this black color. Alright, so I want to add an image inside this shape I've drawn right here. This is the image. So we copy and paste. Okay, so we have to clip marks right inside like this. Okay, so let's add our text. Let's switch to vector. So now let's change the color to black, and then this is the font I'm using. All right, I want to change the color of this, so let's double click and highlight this, and then let's change the color here. Okay, so the next thing is to add an image to this white background and then change the white background to black. Let's switch to pixel, and then let's grab this tool here, fill tool, and let's change it to the flat fill tool. So we already have the color set to black. Let's click here. All right, so let's put this behind. Okay, now let's double click here and highlight this. So I have white here, so I can just click on this. I'm adding the second image, which is this. So the next thing I'll do is to change the blend mode for this image. All right, so make sure the image layer is selected, and we change the blend mode to this, and then we change the opacity here. Let's give it 50. Okay, let's reduce it a bit more to 40. So the next thing I want to do is to add texture effects to the design. All right, so we click on pixel, and then we select new live filter layer, and then we choose noise, and then add noise. You can adjust the settings here like this. So the last thing I want to do is to add a second group of text on the design. So let's duplicate this and then type. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to change the font of this text. So let me edit the picture a bit. So let's click on pixel, new adjustment layer, and then select brightness and contrast. This is how I created my first design in Affinity by Canva, and I'm super excited to share this process with you. If you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.